Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for your ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 OMNI. This product's linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out. Take a look at the station right here. We'll start with the top where we can remove our dirty and clean water tanks. With these tanks, you'll definitely want to make sure after every clean, you're emptying and rinsing this out to prevent any odor and dirty water buildup. That's your dirty water tank. If you want to add a little bit of mouthwash, that'll go a long way if you want to let that water sit for a little while. And then the clean water tank, every once in a while, if you want to go ahead and give it a deeper clean, you can do that very easily. A lot of room and access with both of these tanks to clean. And looking at the station with both tanks removed, just monitor these three holes right here to make sure that they're free from any obstructions. And you can always wipe out the bottom here on both sides. And we have drain holes on both sides too, so just make sure there's no obstructions down there either. Moving along at the center here, we have our ECOVACS branding, and this cover is removable. It just pulls out of the way, so towards you if you're looking at the station. So for us, it's up and out of the way. That reveals our vacuum bag here. That's very easy to dispose of the old one and reinstall a new one. You just line it up and gently put it in place like that. With the bag removed, you can visually inspect here and use your fingers to get further down and in. If there's any hair built up or obstructions, you can pull those out at this time. It's also worth noting we have a filter in here too that just pulls towards us like so, and it comes out, and we can clean this filter. You could wash and rinse that out, let it dry for a good day, and then you can put it back in here. So it'll just slot right back in like so. And then at the bottom here, this is where all the magic happens. It washes, cleans, dries itself, and charges itself, as well as the self-empty. So we have our self-empty channel here, same thing. You can just reach in there if you have any obstructions to clean that up. This tray is removable, so you can just grab it here and gently work it out to give it a deeper wash and rinse. And you can wipe down this inside portion if you ever notice anything starting to build up or settle here. And that's it. It's a simple station to take care of.